Hi, welcome to my Healthy Living channel. Do you know the Queen of Fruits? Today we want to talk about something delicious and at the same time healthy. What are the health benefits of pineapples? This is one of the tropical fruit that has a delicious taste, but most of all, this juice yellow fruit is a nutrition bomb. Some like it as a juice, some like it to eat it in round wheels type as myself. It is, in my opinion, the most delicious fruit you can eat. But it is not only delicious, it has also important benefits for your health. This fruit you can find everywhere in tropical climate zones. You can find this fruit in the whole continent of America and Asia. This fruit offers you a good source of vitamin C and B, fiber, and also minerals like manganese and a great deal of antioxidants. You can eat it all around the year in different presentations like fresh, frozen, or in cans. You can buy it the year around not only in the States but in almost all countries where the fruit is grown. In tropical countries like Mexico and other southern countries, you can buy it fresh the whole year around. One tip: when you look for pineapple within juice, you have to look for fruit that is packed in its own juice and not syrup according to dietitians. This fruit is in its own fructose, and when you buy the canned type with syrup, you get an added sugar part besides the already sweet fruit. What is pineapple good for in your body? This fruit has a digestive enzyme called bromelain that has anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. This can help you, for example, for an infection or an injury or a burn. Pineapple juice helps to keep your inflammation levels low in your body. What happens when eating pineapple on a daily basis? Besides that it tastes great, it increases your energy intake and boosts metabolism. It's good for your hair, skin, nails, and also teeth and helps your general health. What does this grapefruit do for a woman? The high vitamin C content helps to reduce the risk of osteoporosis, and with the minerals and different vitamin Bs, it is very important for women during pregnancy. But as any fruit or food in general, it is recommended not to eat in excess because the content of vitamin C can give you some symptoms as heartburn, diarrhea, vomiting, or other symptoms. So always eat with measures. Don't think that you have to eat a lot that you have more vitamin C in your body. You can eat pineapple as a snack that has first of all a very healthy effect, and secondly it tastes delicious. What are the most important benefits of pineapple? It is high in vitamin C and low in calories. Besides, it has manganese and antioxidants. It eases digestion, increases immunity, and helps also with weight loss. The main benefits come from bromelain that acts as an anti-inflammatory. Did you know that different cultures use this tropical fruit for medicinal purposes, mostly for reducing inflammation when putting on wounds? The bromelain may also have cancer-fighting potential. Did you know the bromelain found in pineapple triggers testosterone production, and they say that this might elevate men's sex drive? Through the great level of vitamin C and thiamine in the fruit provide an increase of energy to the body too. This increase the sexual stamina. Some tips for choosing your pineapple. When choosing a pineapple, look for one with a yellow colored outside and a fragrant scent, as it's a much better guarantee of the fruit's perfection. Prevent fruits that scent mild way or fermented. While some individuals believe they require to eat their pineapple virtually immediately for ideal benefit, a research revealed that cut as well as cooled pineapples can maintain for as long as 9 days with only small losses of phenolic phytonutrients. In summary, we can say that pineapple benefits you no matter your age. Adults gain bone support and also kids obtain what they require for bone advancement. Which are just a few great benefits of this tropical fruit. A series of unproductive residences in a challenging scaly skin with a spray of environment-friendly spikes at the top. Pineapples have well over a day-to-day offering of vitamin C, which is a great infection competitor and collagen synthesizer. They additionally house manganese, including the enzyme superoxide dismutase. The bromelain in pineapples is a special enzyme which with cancer-fighting capabilities that damages down food so their nutrients can be used by the body. If you like the video, please subscribe and give a push to the like button that many people know the benefits of this great delicious fruit. Thanks for watching and have a great time. Bye bye and see you in the next video.